Chapter 1.1.2.6 Field Selectors. Field selectors in Kubernetes allow you to select objects based on specific resource field values. For example, you can query for objects with certain metadata or status fields. For instance, you can use a command to select all pods with a status.phase field set to running. Field selectors act as filters for resources, meaning that without any selectors, all resources of a certain type are selected. This makes commands like kubectl get pods and kubectl get pods field-selector equivalent. Field selectors are a useful tool for querying and managing resources in Kubernetes based on specific criteria. Supported fields? When working with Kubernetes resources, the supported field selectors vary depending on the resource type. All resource types support the fields metadata.name and metadata.namespace. It is important to note that using unsupported field selectors will result in an error. Supported operators. Field selectors in Kubernetes allow you to filter resources based on specific fields using operators such as equals and equals. For example, the kubectl command can be used to select all Kubernetes services not in the default namespace. It is important to note that set-based operators in Nodin exists are not supported for field selectors. Chain selectors. When using kubectl command, field selectors can be combined as a comma-separated list to target specific objects. For example, to select pods where status.phase is not running and spec.restart policy is always, you can chain these field selectors together. This allows for more precise filtering of objects. Multiple resource types. The kubectl command allows for using field selectors across different resource types. For example, you can select all stateful sets and services that are not in the default namespace.